Here's part 2 of the 1972 Briggs Stratton 2 horsepower rebuild. As you can see, I got the engine all scattered out. I'm here at Courtney Motorsports. Here's the block. Polished it really nice. I'm going to do a valve job pretty soon. It's nice and clean. Remove the points. I might paint this orange or lime green. It's a shroud. Removed all the paint completely with the wire brush. The wire wheel thing that's over there. Here's the carb. I'm gonna remove all the paint and stuff, rebuild it completely, paint the carb silver, and paint the gas tank black again, but you know, a better coat. There's gas in it. Yeah, there's some gas in the tank. Moved all the paint from this with the wire brush. Here's the crank. The crank is in okay condition. It's still very reusable. Before, this engine ran really well, and after the rebuild it should run real good. Better than, probably as good as new. Here's the valves, they're a little corroded. I should get those bead blasted. These are the springs. I got all these parts in bags. Here's the piston. The rings are a little sharp on the edges, so that's a good sign that it needs new ones. Cam looks alright. That's still very reusable as well. To get the exhaust off, I had to heat up the engine block to expand the metal. Then, because it's been 37 years since it's been off. It's the first time it's ever come off the engine, and it's a 1972 model. Here's the side cover. Pretty much did the same thing I did with the engine block, which is just over there. And that's it. Oh, here's the head. I'll show you that. It's a little, actually, yeah, a lot. It's corroded in there. I think the only thing I'm going to get done to it is just hone the cylinder, and that's it. And I'm going to buy a new gasket kit, a timing key, a brand new one, and what else was I going to buy? Oh yeah, a new air filter for it, because when I got the new the one that it came with, the foam air filter, it just fell apart. It was way beyond the point of reusing.
I'm like, where the fuck is this shit coming from?
Now I'm just gonna clean that up, and I'll probably start painting it in part 3. So thanks for watching.